There are more than 200 causes of neuropathy, a condition that can cause numbness, tingling, pain, and muscle weakness. Dr. Greg Davis from Essential Neuropathy is here to discuss the condition and the treatment. Good morning, Dr. Greg.
Good morning.
All right, first question. For some suffering with neuropathy, can you explain what is happening and happening to their body and what can cause this condition?
Absolutely. So neuropathy has numerous causes, two of the biggest ones being diabetes and chemotherapy. Now what's happening is the nerves in the body are being damaged and sending altered signals to the brain.
Okay.
So the peripheral nerves send signals from the body to the brain and central nervous system. And now instantaneously that might not feel like a lot of crazy symptoms, but if left over time it will develop into more serious symptoms such as foot drop, where the body's no longer able to hold the foot up anymore. Or other symptoms are prickling, tingling, or electric-like signals in the hands, legs, or feet. And if left over time, it will get worse and the damage will be more extensive.
And that's not just, your hand falling asleep or your foot falling asleep. It's
Absolutely.
more serious.
It's chronic.
All right. Now, is neuropathy a disease in and of itself?
Not necessarily. So neuropathy is the result of some condition happening in the body. Like I said before, two of the most common ones being diabetes and chemotherapy, but other conditions such as autoimmune diseases like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, or infections like shingles. You could have a Lyme's disease infection or even hepatitis C. Other conditions like injuries or there's long-standing pressure on the nerve from a fall can lead to neuropathy, and even medication use for certain medications over time can definitely lead to neuropathy. And there's some cases where they really don't know what caused neuropathy, unfortunately.
Wow, interesting. Now, how can essential neuropathy help?
Sure. So we use unique treatments at Essential Neuropathy. So there's no surgeries, there's no injections. Basically, we get healing into the nerve pathways and help the body restore the nerve to relieve pain, improve range of motion, and improve a patient's mobility.
And you have a patient to share with us?
Absolutely. This is Alan. He's one of our favorites.
Roughly 3 years now. My symptoms for neuropathy was burning in my feet, not be able to have very good balance, mostly burning and aching in my feet. Just finished my 90-day program and will be coming back for some more chiropractic work on my lower back and for my feet. But I finished 90 days and doing great. I went from a lot of leg pain to a lot of burning in my feet with neuropathy. And now I went from a 42 down to a 2, which is excellent, on my left, and I think it's a 35 on my right, and went down to a 3. So I'm doing really good and plan to continue here at Essential. I'd say don't wait to have this done. The longer you wait, the more you're going to be hurting. Give it a chance. I did, and I give them a 10 for everything they did for me. Thank you.
What is the process for getting treated?
Absolutely. So a patient needs to give us a call to set up an exam. At that exam, we'll do a series of neurological tests to determine the sensory loss and see if we can help them with our treatments. From there, we'll devise a custom treatment plan for them. We don't use any drugs, we don't use any injections, and we actually use state-of-the-art, FDA-approved non-surgical treatments to get healing into the nerves and restore the damaged tissue.
Doctor, if someone is suffering and taking medication, when is the soonest that they should give you a call?
Right now. We have a team waiting to answer any questions, and we just need to give us a call.
All right, Dr. Greg, thank you. Essential Neuropathy has a special offer. For the first 25 callers, pay just $49 for a personal consultation, which includes an exam, x-rays, and findings report. That's a $249 value. Essential Neuropathy is located in Lee's Summit. To take advantage of that special offer, just call 816-895-1800 or go online to essentialneuropathy.com.